the Civil AccuDraw Distance tool. That is this tool right here on the Civil AccuDraw toolbar. I'm going to select it, make sure I have my Civil AccuDraw toggled on. Then I'm going to come up to my workflow pull down, select Open Roads Modeling, come to my Geometry tab, and on the Geometry ribbon I'm going to go to the horizontal group, go to my points, and for my feature definition I'm just going to use this one called land corner. If you wanted to change it you could. I'm just going to leave it set to this one. So now to place this cell, maybe I want to place it a certain distance from the end of this line and a certain distance from the end of this line. The first thing I need to do is set the first origin point. So I'm going to select O on my keyboard. It's going to ask me to select a reference point. So I'm just going to snap to the end of this line. Now when I drag my cursor, it's changing that first distance. So maybe this first distance I want it to be 175 feet. So I'll just type in 175 and hit enter to lock that in. So I have my first distance locked in. But now I need to switch my origin over to the other line. So I will hit O on my keyboard again. Select my reference point, which will be the end of this line. Left click to accept it. Now you can see my origin is on this other line. The one thing you will have to do with this tool is you'll notice my first distance is highlighted again. I don't want to change that distance. So I'll just hit the tab key to tab down to distance number 2. And now I can type in my distance there. Maybe I want it to be 260 feet, so I'll type in 260 and enter to lock that one in. Now when I go out and move my mouse, you notice there are two intersections I can choose. You can choose an upper one or a lower one. I'm just going to drag my cursor up here by the upper one. Left click to accept it. Right click to reset the tool. And I have my cell placed from distance A and distance B. So that's what the distance tool will let you do in the Civil AccuDraw tools.